Hi, it's Eileen Baranek, and I just wanted to show you how to create something that I have been using a ton with my students. These are slides that I give my students when they're in breakout rooms so that they have something to work with and so that I can come to View and Grid View, and I can keep an eye on all of my breakout rooms at the same time and make sure that they're working. And also, if I see kids going off in a weird direction, I know which breakout room to join. They work on the slide that is the same number as their breakout room, so that's how I know. But what I'm really here to do is to show you how to make these slides where nothing moves around that you don't want to move around, but the kids also have places to click. So the way that I'm making these is I go into Slide and then Edit Master. And you can see it in here. This is the slide you just saw, and it's got all this weird stuff on it, but I'll show you how to do that. I come over to the side of this bar here, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to choose New Layout. And when I do that, I get this kind of blank slide. And what I can do then is, change the background color, make it whatever I want. And then if I want to add text that isn't going to move, I just use this first text box, and I can add things in with whatever font I want. And I'll just do something really simple here. This is a test. Oh, it didn't change the size. There's always something that goes wrong in my videos, isn't there? And then if I want to add any kind of a text box for the students to type in, all I've got to do is come to this down arrow. Oops, wrong one. See? And click so that the text box one, the down arrow, click Body Text Placeholder, and then add where I want this to be. And ignore all these weird level things. These aren't going to show up for the kids. This is just what a master slide looks like. And you can change the font and the color and all of that if there's like something kind of fun you want to do with the kids. You can also add little shapes and callouts. I do a lot of these with the kids. So like if there's something I want them to pay attention to, I can add a shape. I can change the color of the shape. I can type in the shape. Don't forget to look here. I use these a lot for the kids to have a place to like put their work. So I'll show you two of them that I've created. So these are just, images that I grabbed from somewhere. I don't know. Always put your text boxes with your information that you don't want to move in first, and then add the second, like the body text placeholders last. Otherwise it gets hard to kind of move things around. This is another one that I created. This is actually for a different part of this that I put into a whole different slides presentation. But I put it in here just so that I could make it all in one place. Now, when I want to add these slides in, all I have to do is click the down arrow next to add a slide, and now all of my master slides are here, and you can see this is the one that isn't part of this slideshow. I have it in a totally different slides presentation for my students. The other nice thing is that if you're doing digital notebooks and you're creating them this way, kids can never lose a slide. So if they accidentally delete a slide and you've created all the slides here, they can really easily add it back in. So that is my little tech tip for today.